Picture this, a perfect South Florida evening, the sun setting over the palm trees, and the air filled with laughter and good vibes. What better way to savor the moment than with a cold, refreshing beer shared with your closest friends? We've taken this outdoor space to a whole new level, starting with a paver replacement. Say goodbye to old limestone and hello to sleek leathered marble. Plus, check out our beautiful artificial grass design strip that follows the pool's elegant contours. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating lasting memories. Picture yourself by the champagne-round jacuzzi, laughing with loved ones and enjoying pure relaxation. And those LED lights? They turn your evenings into a private light show, perfect for late-night chats by the pool. Now, let's explore our custom outdoor kitchen. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating memories with family and friends. We'd like to give a special shout out to Bull Grills for their amazing appliances. We've got it all, making impromptu gatherings a breeze. With an aluminum insulated roof, synthetic teakwood cabinets, Belvedere quartzite, and an IVTV wall, this is outdoor living at its finest. This is where luxury meets lifestyle, where family bonds grow stronger, good times become great, and friends become family.